some cement. Oh, bro. Bloody hell. Very funny, very funny. Very funny, mate. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy, easy. You'll take. Buckets, do a bit of cleaning up there, take our trowel up. Might need to lay a couple bricks, hopefully get up the ladder. Squeeze in here. Oh, alrighty. Finishing off. Hey mate, how's it going?
I met cutting with the bolster. This sticker's got the saw going.
Oh, you're kidding. You can cut, waking up the neighbours. You can cut these bricks with the bolster just fine.
Because I haven't got the bolster up here.
Yeah.
So I said cut them with the bolster. Like I meant cut them down next to the bolster.
Oh, bloody hell.
Everyone's waking up, right?
Everyone's awake, that's right.
Whether they were or not, they are now.
Still on the sill, eh, mate? Clean up this a bit. Hello, Tom. Hello. Oh, mate. Have a go at this. Beautiful working conditions. Nice scaffolders chucked that, so it's touching the wall. And I don't know why there's no plank in here, but one plank to work off, mate. Grab it there, lay bricks, but We've got 5 boards over here, but I mean, come on, like, to deal with this, it's just a shit fight. And there's nothing you can really do about it with these tight sights. So this is a Colby job, New South Wales, that got the brown bricks instead of the blue ones. I've got some piers in the back we've got to set out. It's up to scaffold height. And I just wanted to show the reality of how shit it gets sometimes with tight access. I'm a big fan of big access on jobs, because I believe you can get the job done a lot faster. Even when I'm labouring, I can still jump on the trowel because I can just wheel a barrow and easily get around the whole house. So stuff like this I don't like seeing.